Hey, this is Ethan Kurtz from Riptide. I just wanted to say thank you so much, MasterPrep, for sponsoring us.
From around the world, they heed the call for the mind-bending blending of man and machine.
Let the bot battle begin!
Welcome to World Championship 7.
MasterPrep is a premier tutoring service that helps students prepare for their standardized tests, as well as help them with GPA management and tutoring in their classes, as well as public speaking. One of our teammates, Felix, goes there, and he is amazing, and they are one of the reasons he is so amazing. So thank you so much, MasterPrep, for helping us this year. You've really made so much possible for us and our different members. Thank you so much.
Robots activate.